Hey people, so I'm going to do an unboxing from the products I got from Sourcerie. It's a little card they send. Products. Show you the first ones. Shampoo and conditioner. I got a face mask. Face body scrub. And this is the moisturizing ultimate. If you see this, I've already advertised this private number of times on my social media. So card you get. This is the product that helps with all these bumps on my skin, to be honest. That's the unboxing, people. I'm putting my social media down there. I know, we'll catch you there. Bye. Oh yeah, and you will see all these products being tried as well on my social media as well, so catch you there. Bye.